since 2016. Squid at me, one fix. You know that's my sis. And when she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see why your heart's icy. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, girl. Got the way you twist and turn, girl. Baby, come me high too far, I get burned. Need your love, come stay with me tonight. I can't go without my dress, cause I am not alright. I'ma let you take the wheel tonight. We know what we doing wrong, but girl, it feels so right.
Hey guys, it is the morning of the trip and I am running late, so everything just needs to hurry up right now. And that's because it's like 5:30 a.m. and our flight leaves at 8:30. It's gonna take us an hour to get to the airport, so we're probably gonna be there around like 6 something. So that gave us like an hour and a half to check in. Pulling in my luggage right now. Y'all are gonna be spending 78 hours in Jamaica with me. And honestly, I'm working 2 jobs right now. I'm a college student, so this trip is really gonna be like a mental health reset. I'm not even gonna lie. It's gonna give me, I'm calling out of school, I'm calling out of work just to go on this trip. So it's gonna be a good fly home. See you never. No, I'm sorry. If it was up to me, I'll come back never. I'll be on vacation forever. But yeah, this trip is gonna really be a good like mental health reset for me. So I'm super excited. I called out. Don't behind us.
Yeah, but she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.
We just finished checking out at TSA, and right now we are on our way to our gate. We are going to board the plane in about like 30 minutes, so we plan on getting some like food or something. I don't know yet, but y'all know everything at the airport be like $1,000. It's probably some better. Anyway, y'all know everything at the airport. So our plane is gonna be leaving around like 9. Right now it is 8:15, so it's gonna be like a few minutes to get some food, and it was only $20, so we paid that. And I'm not saying only so that's crazy, but it was like 20 for I
think fries, scrambled eggs, ham, and toast.
4 things for $20 at the airport. I feel like that's kind of still, but I'm waiting on it. Let me show you guys. Okay, yeah, it says it's being prepared, so hopefully it's done before we board the plane. Okay, the lady said 20 minutes. Oh, I got food by me. Oh, this is the outfit. Everybody just staring at my dermos. But I'm at the like kids section. They have like this little play section at the airport. So if it's noisy, that's why. Like, that no kids be around. Careful. So I'm gonna take you guys a quick little OOTD. She's so cute. Okay. I can't get her face in vlog. Let me show y'all. Where should I set the camera? My Hello Kitty Crocs. Super cute. I don't remember where this set is from. I have my Go Yard bag. I have my Primark suitcase. I did only bring a carry-on because, like I said, we're only going to be here for 78 hours, so like 3 to 4 days. Well, it's 3 nights, 4 days, so technically it's more than 78 hours, but we're just going to roll with that because, you know, it's going to look cool in the title. Do you want to sit? Okay, so I'm going to end the vlog here, and I'm probably gonna go get my food now. It's probably ready. Hi, baby.
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, over past me. You used to say you need to know love. Used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get that though. And I know you know. You want wine fast and you wine slow. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need.
So we just got to Jamaica. We just left the airport. Right now we are at KFC. I know what they say. They said Jamaica got the best KFC and it's better than the US. And honestly, I believe that. Because the way it's packed as fuck right now, I really believe that. So we got to go see. I don't know what to get because I don't eat KFC in the city. But if it's better here, then I probably should, get something here. But we got to see and I'm going to let y'all know. Jamaican money in here, y'all, that I don't know how to count. $100. I feel rich right now, y'all. Not gonna lie.
Hi vlog! Welcome to Jamaica.
Yes.
We're in Montego Bay, Jamaica KFC.
Yes, we about to try.
Okay.
They said y'all got the best KFC, so
So we gonna see. Let's
yeah.
see.
Here, so what's happening with tangerine?
Guinea.
No mangoes?
I'm going to mango, I'm going to mango. Tomorrow, babe.
Thank you so much.
I'm exhausted. Yep. We are getting Jamaican dollars. Ooh, Jamaican money. Ooh, they got fresh peppers, fresh fruit. I'm grocery shopping in Jamaica right now just to have some food for the B&B we're staying in because we're not staying in a resort actually. And everything is just so like fresh, so good looking. Yes, yes. Ooh, chips. What's that famous chips? Bigfoot? Is that? They have Bigfoot here?
Bigfoot.
Well, I want sorrel too.
How many Bigfoot do you want?
Wait, you can hold that?
2. Ooh, they got perfume in here.
What else?
They got fucking limited edition
Oh, one.
Victoria's Secret.
No, this one don't have.
Me not like the way that smells though. Me not like. So we're not gonna get that until it's sorrel bone. Oh, they got Maji. This is a worldwide thing. This is all the stuff we're getting. Some sorrel. Oh my god, I love sorrel in the city, so I know I'm gonna love it here. It's gonna be so much more fresh. This fruit punch that I want to try. Bigfoot, I got 2 because I've been hearing about this everywhere. Bread and then some eggs, probably for breakfast. Oh, don't we need some water too or no? Good morning, guys. It is the next day and I'm just going to give you guys a little rundown of my day yesterday and my day today because I feel like this vlog is all over the place and I hate when the vlog is all over the place because it doesn't make sense. I'm not turning on the light because it's hot as fuck, guys. Okay, so yesterday we landed at the airport around like 1:30 and by the time we finished bagging and checking and all that extra shit, it was like 2 something. and then we had to wait to get picked up. So we got picked up, we went to go get KFC like you guys saw. The KFC definitely worth the hype. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I was sick a little bit though because I had yellow boogers, and usually when I have yellow boogers coming out it's because I got sick, and I think it's because I drank the water at the KFC. Last night I was freezing, and we're in Jamaica, guys. Y'all know it's not cold in Jamaica right now. The light isn't even on. That's the sun that y'all are seeing. And I was fucking freezing. I had a whole coat on.
So that's how I know when I'm sick. When I start feeling different weathers, that's not even the weather. I was feeling 51 degrees, and outside it's 81 degrees. But I definitely do feel better now. I have the air on today, so I'm glad that I'm feeling, you know, the weather I'm supposed to feel.
After we went to KFC, we came home to change because I was wearing a tracksuit. Guys, it is like 80 something in this bitch. I'm not supposed to be wearing a tracksuit. We changed, and then we went to the market to buy some food for the B&B that we're staying in. To go grocery shopping just to have some like snacks around the house. I got this drink. Oh my goodness, I need to go back and get like 10 of those because that shit was so good. But anyway, that's how yesterday went. It was a really quick day. We did land we landed in the middle of the day, and then in KFC, like I was telling you guys, we had to wait 1 hour to get our food because there was so much tourists there. So our day was basically done once we landed. We couldn't do anything. And we're eating breakfast. This fruit juice is really good. I'm not really a big porridge fan though, so as you can see, it's untouched. Bread and butter and some eggs and a banana. The roosters woke me up. So you're the one who woke me up today? I couldn't sleep because of you. Ooh, a butterfly. It is Sunday. Today we have a really busy day, and we're going to be doing more fun stuff today, so way more like fun shit to vlog. My camera is dying, so I'm probably not going to vlog church. But today we are going to church for the first 3 hours of the day. And then when we come back, we're going to be going to this waterfall excursion place. So I'm extremely excited about that, and my outfit is about to eat the bitches up. I'm not even lying to you. So I'm going to show you guys that real quick. And guys, the stars in this bitch, the stars, I'm so mad you can't catch the way the stars look on camera, because it is drop dead gorgeous, guys. I'm not even being dramatic. But anyway, I need to go shower because I low-key have to take a shit. I think it's also that sickness that I've been feeling, but I'm not going to jinx myself. I'm not sick. I'm fine, and I'm going to enjoy this vacation. So this is the outfit that I am going to be wearing. I forgot my gold slippers, which is so annoying because it would have went perfect with this outfit. Perfect. Now my toes can't be in it and shit, but it's a waterfall anyway, so I can't just be barefoot. This is going to be my cover up, my bathing suit, my arm bracelet that matches the earrings, my gold ring, my anklets, and my bracelets. So I'm going to take a picture of this because I think it's just so cute. And then this is going to be my church outfit with a black bag and this black bag and my Chanel slippers. So yeah, and look how cute like this is so cute, guys. I can't even. Super cute. Super cute.
Which came later than the law, appoints a son who has been made perfect forever.
So we just came back from church, and honestly, I love today's sermon. I feel like I enjoy church here better than in New York, because in New York, I'll be sleeping in church. I'll be eating, sleeping, I'll be on my phone. This was the first time I went a whole church service without even touching my phone, which is actually insane. And I do want to share the sermon that he gave us today. It was God protection and God's direction. And it's when something doesn't go your way, that's God protection. When something goes your way, that's God direction. So you always have to thank him regardless. Isn't that so beautiful? I just had to share that. But anyway, we about to get dressed to go to the excursions. Girl, you thick. You eat your cornbread. Bye. Now let me stop. I just came from church. What am I talking about? Okay, yeah. I'm about to put my outfit on. I'm so excited. Oh, it's so freaking cute. I'm gonna come back when I'm dressed up. So we just got to the resort place and we are about to figure out the pricing right now. Damn, my skirt is making so much noise. This is so cute. We just finished getting our tickets. It was 10,000 in USD, I mean in Jamaican money. These are our tickets. Why the camera keeps not focusing? Like, that's so annoying. I'm so excited to go. Sexy love money. Anyway, yeah, I don't really know what to expect. We are planning on getting some food though, so I'm excited about that. Because I really ate nothing this whole time. I'm so hungry. I'm starving. I'm not even money. So yeah, I'm probably not going to talk anymore though. I'm just going to happily just try to enjoy the trip. But I'm going to see y'all later. I just got a rum punch in a bottle and it says 11% alcohol. So that's interesting. It's so cute in here though. Yes, we go on our way there. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
No, you say hi. Keep going, go. Cute.
The food, they can send in it, right? The kids?
Guys, my dominoes are getting so much attention here in Jamaica. It's actually crazy. Everyone is staring at them. Like, everyone's saying, oh, so cute, so cute. Like, yes. I know it's pretty boring here, though. Let me show you. So pretty.
Okay, I'm gonna come anyway because I don't know who the fuck you're talking to. Yo is not winning. So, anyway, y'all, look at this though. So pretty.
Do not touch the berries. Can I eat it? So we are about to leave. And I'm so hungry. We still didn't get no food, but we are about to get. No, it's okay. Have you seen it before? She's awake. Pineapples, sugar cane. We are getting food on the road right now. Can I record you? Yeah. You want to be on camera or no?
Do your thing.
Okay. This is what I'm getting: fried chicken, dumpling, and plantain. This is the sauce for it. I already started eating. It's really good. She got soup. She's matching the red lip with the red dress. Thank you. We got our street food.
It's not gonna drop, no.
And now we about to go. Look at the little doggy.
Yeah, the video.
Yeah, don't worry, your face not in it.
No, really. As long as that do good for me.
Yes.
Not my business.
Yes. Okay. Where can the people find you? Tell them.
This is Mega Quarters where you find the best pepper shrimp.
Best pep. That's right.
Find Michael.
Okay.
What I want? One you need?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna share.
Yeah.
Thank you. So we just came back from the waterfall, and I had so much fucking fun. Like pictures, 10 out of 10. We ate, but I'm not really full. I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, it was a lot of fun, and we got a lot of fruits on the way back home, so I can't wait to eat that tonight. Right now I'm about to shower because I didn't bring a change of clothes. I don't know why, but when I go bamboo rafting tomorrow, I'm probably gonna remember to bring a change of clothes since I forgot the first time. And yeah, I'm going to shower real quick and then get ready because we are about to go out to eat. So that's fun. This is gonna be our first time going out to eat since we got here, so period. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. This brown two-piece set, and I'm wearing that with my gold heels. So that should be real cute for fun. I want to do like a natural face for this outfit, but I'm not too sure yet. But I do plan, I really want to wipe this makeup off. But I don't know. I'm 50-50. I'm gonna see though. Yeah, I'm just gonna see. But anyway, see you guys soon. I'm probably gonna come back when I'm getting ready. I smell like water. Where's my little light? Oh. The palm trees. No, literally, maybe even 3, 4, 5, 6. Go, 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 go. Yo, this is bad funny.
Yeah, I got you.
All of these blended.
I don't want no room in it.
When we have virgin, we have like daiquiri, so you can get virgin.
Alright, give me that.
And mango, pina colada, and strawberry.
Mangoes.
I see you like the rum. Just cranberry and minute maid, assorted sodas. Minute maid, orange.
Try the baby. It's like cassava, but it's
Is it cassava?
yeah, it's cassava, but it's how do you explain bunny? It's cassava press.
Yes, cassava press. Very dry, 5 years and cake.
You want to try it? It's good with like soaked, any soaked gravy.
Like, normally we steam it with the protein, or we steam it in coconut milk, whatever you choose. Or fried.
I'm gonna get the oxtail with the garlic mashed potato.
The oxtail with the
Garlic mashed potato. The salted vegetables. Does that come from broccoli?
steamed veg.
It comes from broccoli?
No.
It's just like cabbage.
No, what Jamaican
Yeah,
veg.
cabbage is mixed with
So
something.
no broccoli, no asparagus, no all of them.
No beans, no green beans, none of that.
How with the breaded salad?
Lettuce.
Only lettuce.
Lettuce with bell pepper, onion. Yeah, onion, bell pepper. Carrot, me trouble. No, not trouble, joke.
Oh.
She giving me joke. Because I know exactly what she's on.
Yeah, yeah.
We're not going to have those.
So I'll just see what I got.
Because in Jamaica, we don't use avocado really in any restaurant really as a salad. Sometimes person will use it as a little side, like how they do fried plantain.
Yeah.
But yeah. But like overseas, how they put avocado in salad and stuff like that. No. Corn?
Corn, yeah.
The corn will be more like your corn, sweet corn.
Nuggets with the fries. And then for me,
Vodka tonight.
too much. But let me get yours too.
Oh, yeah?
But I didn't put no alcohol. Ooh, I got
I'm sorry.
jerk salmon with mashed potato, salted bean, corn, my rum punch. Baby got chicken and fries, pasta that I will be taking some of. Ooh. No, just one. Ooh, and curry and
Mashed potato, potatoes down.
I will be taking some potatoes. My drink to go. It's about money. So I'm about to get ready for bed. $40 just randomly, casually chilling in my night purse. I showered before I left, so it's just time to go to bed now. I'm probably gonna wear this for tomorrow. The market tomorrow. I'm gonna change into my pajamas because I showered before I went to the restaurant and I took all my makeup off. I just gave Jamaica a mini earthquake. Good morning. It is the next day. I believe this is the last 24 hours. I'm gonna miss it. I really am. I'm about to go shower and get ready. And I think today we're gonna go bamboo rafting, and we're probably gonna do something else too, but I just don't know what, so I'm just gonna see. I was so drunk yesterday, y'all. My headband is up here. Look at my bed. Like, I got Rice Krispies on here, like, got my bathing suit. Oh my, this is my bathing suit from yesterday. Just a mess, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm about to go shower and get ready for the day, and I'll be back after that. I am dressed. Dang money. But I am dressed and we are about to go bamboo rafting, and as you guys can see, I put some grills on. I did some black lip. I try to match like the Jamaican colors because I'm gonna be wearing a Jamaican bathing suit, so I just tried to match the colors. I got these really cute bangles, but honestly they're way too big, I'm not gonna lie. So after pictures, they're coming right the fuck off. It's so hot, I'm not even lying. My wig is already lifting. Good thing this is the last 24 hours, like I said earlier, because my wig is fucking lifting real bad. I'm not even gonna hold you. Let me go in the shade. Okay. Yes, so this is the last 24 hours. We're about to go bamboo rafting right now. I'm gonna give you guys a little OOTD so you guys can see what I'm working with. I'm gonna show you. I'm not even kidding y'all right now. Like, I'm burning up. My hair was just wet. Like, I wet my hair like 3 minutes ago. It's already dry. That's how hot it is. My Jamaican bathing suit is under. I don't know if I'm gonna leave this as a cover up or change into something else. No, I'm gonna change into a different cover up. But I'm only wearing this because we're going to the market first, and I don't want to, you know, pull up to the market with a mesh bathing suit. Like, no. A ladybug. How cute. I don't know if that's a ladybug or a bed bug. I'm not gonna lie to you. Not gonna lie. Y'all tell me what y'all think it is. Ladybug or bed bug? It doesn't have any spots. Okay, and we are bamboo rafting, y'all. It is so fucking hectic. I'm not even lying to you.
Better known as 𝒁𝑒𝑃.
Don't touch. Go here. Go here. You don't hurt yourself. Go right here. Okay, mommy gonna help you. Careful, careful, careful.
Is it my goal? Is it your goal?
Oh my gosh, the mosquito bit me.
Slow wine, slow wine, slow wine.
This is so cute. Sorry. Okay, can I put it inside?
So I just wanted to show you guys some of the souvenirs that I got while I was in JA. I got that cute little heart-shaped ashtray, this Bahama Mama bracelet, that's the vibes, is giving me that Jamaica keychain, which was my favorite, and that bracelet, and all of that came up to a good $70. Okay, that is all for this video. See you guys later. Bye.